Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a major internship opportunity at one of the world's largest tech companies, Uber India. If you are a college student aiming for an internship with a global product team, this video is for you. Here we go about the company. Uber is a global tech reshaping how people move, eat, play, and interact in cities worldwide. In India, Uber Tech and product teams in Bangalore and Hyderabad build core solution for mobility. Coming to the internship details, it's for 2026 and 2027 passed out students. Uber offers multiple internship streams including software engineering intern, data science, design product internships. And eligibility criteria was education in B.Tech BE stream includes CS, IT, data science related fields. Skill required strong programming in Python, Java, C, C++, data handling and visualization, SQL, Python, and table for data roles. And stipend internship at Uber well paid around 1.1 to 1.6 lakh per month. And coming to the point, selection process. Online application, coding, technical screening for SWE and data roles. And later technical interviews. Final offer for the internship period. How to apply? Click on the link present in the description and fill up the form. If you are eligible and passionate about engineering, data science, or product design, don't miss it of this